In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage payment methods in Amazon. To follow along, make sure you're already signed into your Amazon account on your computer or mobile browser. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Instead of clicking right away, hover your mouse over it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that list, click on Account. This takes you to your main account page, where Amazon shows several tiles or sections for different settings. Take a moment to scan the page and look for the tile labeled Your Payments. When you find it, click on it. This is where you'll manage everything related to your Amazon wallet and payment methods. Inside the Payments section, you'll see your existing payment methods as well as some navigation options. If you want to add a new payment method, look at the left side of the screen for the option that says Add a Payment Method and click it. The page will refresh and show several types of payment options. These can include things like a benefits card, FSA or HSA cards, regular credit or debit cards, Amazon store cards, personal checking accounts, and EBT cards, depending on what's available in your region. Let's walk through an example using a standard credit or debit card. Under the list of options, click Add a Credit or Debit Card. A pop-up window will appear where you can type in your card details. Carefully enter the card number, the name exactly as it appears on the card, the expiration date, and if requested, the security code or CVV. Double check the information for accuracy, since small mistakes can cause payment failures later. When everything looks correct, click the button that says Add Your Card. Amazon will save this new card to your account. If instead you want to manage a payment method you already have on file, stay in the same payments section. Scroll through the list of your saved payment methods until you find the one you want to update or remove. On that card or account, you'll see an Edit option. Click Edit and another pop-up will appear. Here, Amazon gives you several choices. You can change the name on the card, update the expiration date if you've received a renewal, set this card as your default payment method so it's used first at checkout, adjust the billing address, or completely remove the card from your wallet. Make the changes you need, and when you're done, be sure to click Save so Amazon updates your information. And that's it. You've now seen how to add new payment methods and manage your existing ones on Amazon, all from your account's payments section.